Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this beautiful 2018 Keystone Alpine 3700FL front living room, bath and a half, 5-slide luxury fifth wheel. Let's get started on the inside and then finish up showing the outside. Overall exterior length is 41 feet 11 inches, and the exterior height to the dual low profile 15,000 BTU AC units is 13 feet 4 inches. Great floor plan, by the way. This is going to be the longest floor plan Alpine offered in 2018. Give you an idea of the floor plan here. This is going to be, I believe, one of their most popular floor plans. Let's go ahead and get started up in the front living room. Up in the front living room, this is a 5-slide coach, and in the front living room area, you do have the first slide out. It's going to accommodate the ultra leather trifold sleeper sofa. Excellent condition, brown in color. Coach, as far as condition, 1 through 10, 10 being the best, definitely a 10. Any dealer would agree with me. Very well maintained. Second owner. I know the current owner, and he definitely takes care of his stuff, but and he also gets some of the best. But all right, second slide out, also a trifold sleeper sofa, brown in color, excellent condition. You do have the MCD roller blinds, blackout, and the sun visor blinds. These are the ones you want, best you can get. Third sofa is going to be the theater seating by Thomas Payne. It does have heat and massage and reclining. The entertainment center area. It's a power lift bed. It's going to be about a 55-inch Furrion flat screen, and just below that is the Furrion fireplace. I believe it's going to be about a 5,000 BTU heating source. All right, walk down into the kitchen area. It's an island kitchen floor plan. Corian countertops, solid surface countertops all throughout. It's going to be like a, looks like a marble finish. Pull out sprayer faucet. Beautiful, huge stainless steel undermounted sink. Show off the cabinets. Not sure what they're calling the cabinet color. It looks like to be about a cherry finish with the brushed nickel hardware. Okay, spin around. This is going to be the third slide out. It's going to accommodate the 18 cubic foot Norcold 4x4 side or 4-door side-by-side refrigerator. And this coach is equipped with a 1,000-watt inverter in case you want to power your refrigerator without gas. You just want to go ahead and power it on the inverter. You have that option. Also in the third slide out is the Furrion stove and oven. Show off that oven. Definitely a lot nicer than the traditional RV ovens. And beautiful 3-burner stainless steel Furrion gas cooktop. Beautiful solid mosaic backsplash right there, and again it's that marble finish on your countertops. Furrion convection oven. Kind of back up here. There's the half bath I'll show you in a second. It's going to be your fourth slide out. It's going to accommodate the freestanding table and chairs, and there is a leaf for this table. This pulls out, and there are 2 chairs somewhere around here, so you have 4 chairs. But show off those colors on the chairs real quick. And again, excellent condition. And those are your beautiful MCD roller blinds. Beautiful light fixture, by the way. This floor plan gives you a lot of headroom. Ceiling fan. You do have fantastic vent fans all throughout this coach. The half bath, you do have foot flush porcelain toilet, and you also have the marble finish solid surface countertops in the bathroom. Nice medicine cabinet. Huge ceiling height for a fifth wheel. Okay, this is going to be the cool part that Alpine's done. They've raised the floor up in the rear of the bed. So you step up into the master bedroom and you have tons of storage outside that I'll show you. This is going to be your fifth slide out. It's going to be a king bed. King bed lifts up, ultra plush mattress. Show off that headboard, beautiful headboard with reader lights. It's going to be that leather finish, ultra leather finish on the headboard. Kind of paint around here. Lots of closets. Another TV right there by Furrion. It's going to be about a, looks to be maybe about a 32-inch flat screen. All the carpet, everything is in excellent condition. All the flooring. No sign of wear and tear whatsoever. Beautiful French doors going into the master bath in the rear. Double vanity. It's going to be definitely one of the largest bathrooms you're going to find in a fifth wheel. One piece sit down shower. Huge residential shower, by the way. Skylight. Show off the flooring in the bathroom. Going to be like that stone look. This coach is obviously 50 amp service, so you are prepped for a washer and dryer. If you want the washer and dryer, you've got that option. Spin around here. Awesome floor plan. Your AC is a whisper quiet AC. It's a more of a residential AC setup, and it's going to be significantly quieter. I think about 60% quieter than your traditional AC system on a fifth wheel or camper of an RV. And it's going to be dual 15,000 BTU AC units. The AC unit in the living room is going to have a heat pump, which is 16,500 BTUs. And your furnace on this coach is a 35,000 BTU furnace. This coach is rated at negative 14 degrees, 4 seasons insulation. All right. Here you have the in command setup, and basically you can turn on and off and open up and bring in anything on this coach. Slide outs, awnings, turn on all the lights, turn on the AC, turn on the heat, water heater. You can do everything on this system, and it ties into your Bluetooth, smart device, cell phone, all that good stuff. All right, let's go outside. Step is going to be the solid step setup, and this is the best you're going to get. Easy to stow away, nice clean look. Goes inside the door. All aluminum, won't rust. Show off the colors. You're going to have the gel coat, fiberglass finish, aluminum frame sidewalls, floors. That's what you want. Definitely our values going to be some of the best. R10 in the sidewall, R40 in the floor, and R28 in the roof. Beautiful front molded painted fiberglass cap with the windshield where the Alpine badge is. That is a glass windshield. And so I forgot to show it, but when the power TV is down, you can see out the front. And I forgot to point that out, but anyway, you get the idea. Show off this garage here up in the front. Huge storage, by the way. Probably some of the best storage in a fifth wheel, hands down. You do have slide out awning package on this. You do have dual awnings. The owner put them in when I was walking inside, but there are dual, I believe 14-foot dual power awnings. They were a little dirty, but anyway. Beautiful frameless tinted bus style windows. Cleaner look, easier to clean. Beautiful 16-inch aluminum alloy wheels, nitro filled, 7,000-pound Dexter axles, 6-way leveling, automatic leveling, which can be controlled by your in-command setup that I was talking about that ties into your smart device. Show off the storage. Slam latch baggage doors with magnets, by the way. Awesome. Pass-through storage there. There's your aluminum framing all throughout. slam latch baggage doors, gotta love them. Pass-through storage. And this is all up underneath the master bedroom. Great idea. They should have done it a long time ago. And this is just a little bit of storage here, probably for your tools and odds and ends. Show off that underbelly. Fully enclosed heated underbelly. Again, rated at negative 14 degrees. 4 seasons insulation. Back up here. Show off that rear. Okay, ladder, get up on your full walk-on roof. Huge storage in the rear. The owner loves the storage on this. The grill does not come with it, but this does have a hand crank power cord reel. That is definitely nice. Your power cord is going to be a 50 amp marine style power cord. Do have a little receiver on the back here in case you want to put a little tray on the back for carrying generators, odds and ends, whatever. Bikes, bicycle rack. Does have backup camera. Show off that back side. I did check this coach for delamination, which is the bubbling on the outside. Delam is what you do not want on a camper. It's usually caused by water damage. Did not find any issues with delamination or stretch cracks around the slide outs. This coach it's beautiful. Definitely a showroom piece. More storage. This is that pass-through that I showed you on the other side. Another pass-through here. All your baggage doors, by the way, are insulated. There's your hookups for your dump. And you do basically, your suspension is like the Equiflex system. It's almost like an independent suspension for a smoother ride going down the road. And it is patented with Lippert and Keystone. $12-gallon gas electric water heater service panel right here. Your furnace exhaust right here. That's that 35,000 BTU furnace. This is your water hookup station right here. Easy to figure out, kind of slow down. Kind of show that off for you. Water filtration right there. Outside shower, hot and cold running water. Black tank sewer flush. Dual 30-pound LP tanks. This is going to be your leveling command right here for leveling your control panel. It's locked, but I forgot to get the owner to unlock it. Let's back up here. Show off that back side. This coach is equipped with the satellite. And the satellite is in the garage area that I showed you up underneath by the pin box. Still in the box. Looks like you have max air vent cover up there. There's your dual 15,000 BTU AC units. Rotaflex pin box. A gel coat finish really does look awesome. Oh, I forgot to point out, little LED light accent up here for at night or for lighting when you're hitching up. Beautiful front cap, probably one of the most beautiful you'll find on a fifth wheel. All right, I know I didn't get everything. This has all the good stuff. 4 seasons, rated at negative 14 degrees. Some of the largest storage you're going to find on a fifth wheel, maybe some of the largest hands down on a fifth wheel because of that raised floor in the back. Front living room floor plan, bath and a half, all the good stuff. Anyway, if you want to come and see the camper, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. And if you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up on YouTube. And if you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube.